H. H for horse. Hello children, today we are learning about horse. A horse is a very beautiful and strong animal. They are friendly with humans. They eat grass, apple and carrot. A horse have a strong forelegs and long tail. It can run very fast. A horse comes in many colors like white, brown, black and grey. A horse lives in a stable. It likes to run and play in open field. In the past, people travel on horse and use them war. Today, horses are used by the police in raids and for the sport, like horse riding. We should love and take care. A horse teach us to be hardworking. Children, how did you like learning about the horse? If you like the video, please like it.